Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to tackle this project. See how the duct tape's holding it on? We're going to replace this Prius mirror. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the tools we're going to use. A screwdriver and a socket set. Let's see if we can get it done. Now we're going to try to do this without removing the door panel. We're going to pull this back like so, the speaker, get it out of the way, and then we're just going to remove these three nuts right here. Let me get you in closer. We're going to remove these three nuts and take the mirror off. It looks like these are 10 millimeter. So we've got our 10 millimeter deep socket. And let's see if we can get in there without taking this door panel. Absolutely we can. And if I didn't mention earlier, this is the driver's side mirror. Now if you're doing this like me, you're going to want to be careful not to drop these nuts down in the door panel, or you're probably going to have to take off your door panel. And we definitely don't want that, because that's going to make this job a lot longer. Now you got to maneuver it around this wire, so make sure you don't drop it there. And there we go. Okay guys, doesn't look like I can reach the plug for the mirror, so we're going to have to pull a little bit of this off. Okay. This looks like the mirror plug, so all you got to do is pop this portion of the door panel off, then we can unplug it. Okay guys, there's a little clip right there. We're going to have to push that in with the screwdriver to get that out. Okay guys, you're not going to want to lose that gasket, so let's make sure that stays up. You don't want to have water leaking in once you swap this out. Okay guys, here is the new mirror. I bought that off of Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like it comes with a cover too. Didn't expect that. So let's go ahead and get this baby on. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot harder to do this one-handed than it would be for you if you're doing it two-handed, but I think we can get it done. Alright, now I need to get these back up there, and there's a little piece right here that needs to go in. So I'm going to put the camera back and fix that. for you following along at home, these things fit into a little hole. I think you can see that one. A little hole for those white things. So I need to get those pushed, the white things pushed down and those things pulled up to fit in those holes. Now I got a little bit of gap there. I'll keep working on that off camera and get that back, but the mirror looks pretty good. We got to put the back on, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, lesson learned here. Don't pull that straight out, because if you look at this, see how those curve like to the left right there? I broke that white thing, so it's going to stick out a little bit. So be careful when you do yours. It looks like this whole panel needs to slide forward before you pull it out. So I thought they were just like those little pop plastic things, but it's not at the very top. There's a little something to hold it over. So that may be another video to see if we can get that gap a little closer, but that's where I'm at right now with that. So be careful. Look up some videos on how to take your door panel off first. But there it is. It's good. Let's make sure the window rolls up and down and that we can move the mirror. Let's try the mirror first. Looks good. Now let's try the window. Looks good. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Like I said, don't make the same mistake I made. Don't be too rough with your door panel, or you're going to end up with a gap. Like I said, I'm going to mess with that a little more, see if I can get it better. But the window rolls up and down well, the mirror runs in and out well. I'll see if I can find another video that helps you with that door panel part and add that in the description. But hey, that's all we have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.